The next problem that we have is if I go to my isometric corner is that it is now fully on top or over the floor, but we want it to be laying down on the floor. Okay, so to lay it down on the floor, we have to do first a 3D rotate command. So to do a 3D rotate, you type in 3D rotate, and then we have to select the object. Okay, press enter, and then we have to point to, there's actually three axes here. Okay, so you have the green axis which rotates this way, and the blue axis which rotates this way. And then if we wanted to lay down on the floor, we wanted actually to use the red axis to lay down on the floor. Okay, so that's what we're looking at when we look at this left view. We want to point to the red axis until it highlights and then click on it, and then you can now rotate, and now it's parallel to the floor. Okay, so press escape, and it is still above the floor. Okay, because the floor is the x-axis. So if I go to my front view, the floor is the x-axis, and it's still above there. So after you 3D rotate, you still have to move it down, and that distance is basically 2 uh, from the floor. So we're going to do another 3D move. Select the object, enter, click displacement, and I want to lower it this time, so I'm going to do a 0, 0, -2. Negative means that you want to lower a number. Positive means you want to raise it up. So 0, 0, -2, and press enter. Now it's on the level of the floor. Okay. We didn't select everything. We left that line there. If you want to include that line, I think you have to select the window. So undo, and then we can do another 3D move, and then select everything here, press enter, and then displacement, and then type again 0, 0, -2, press enter, and then there you go. If you go to your isometric view, okay, it looks fine now. If you go to the left view, okay, it's on the floor. If you go to the right view, it's now on the floor. So everything now is on the floor. If we bring back everything, all of this one here, if you bring it closer, all of them lines up. So everything is now on the floor. So when you look at this one, okay, they're all lined up. You just have to move them closer together. There you go. Okay, so front view lines up. Okay, left view lines up. So everything's lined up. And you can go back to isometric, and that's how to do a 3D rotate and a 3D move.